Hey, what's going on today, guys? I have this thing, I mean, wow. V8 Jeep Wrangler, it's the MOAB 392. They just released the 392 again, and I got the key fob here in my hand. You know what? The showroom floor is empty. I've been waiting to make this video for a minute. No customers in the lounge. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Mark, and today we are checking out a really cool vehicle. This one here is a 392 MOAB Jeep Wrangler. This thing is bad to the bone. It's got the extreme Recon package on it. Tons of really cool stuff. This bad boy right here, as you guys just heard, that's the engine. This thing has a V8 motor in it. It's 470 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque. It's a real off-roading machine. It's got your Extreme Recon package on it. Extra lifts. I mean, this thing is so cool. Hey guys, my name's Mark, Dodge Dude KC, and today we're taking a look at a 392 MOAB Jeep Wrangler. This thing is bad to the bone. It's got 470 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque. It's got a ton of really great features on it for off-roading, like your metal bumper here up front, your Warn winch, metal bumper in the back, trail camera, and so much more. Today we're going to be doing a full walk around of this thing, checking it out. That's the exhaust you just heard. Let me go ahead and show you the vehicle. Thanks for watching, guys. I don't know everything. I make these videos so you guys can check these vehicles out prior to arriving at the dealership. My name is Mark and I sell cars. If you see this video and you're interested in something like this, come on out to MOLLE Dodge and make sure you're working directly with me, as I don't work with any sales assistants or any other sales associates. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and dig into this 392 Jeep Wrangler and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, guys, so here it is. It's the 392 MOAB Jeep Wrangler. It's got 470 foot-pounds of torque, 470 horsepower. It's a 392 cubic inch engine they've crammed inside this thing. So what they've done here is they've added this hydro guide system. So if you don't know, Jeeps can handle quite a bit of water when driving out there on the trails. It's one of the things that makes them such a great off-road vehicle. Not only the Jeep Wrangler has great water fording capability, but vehicles like this Jeep Compass here do also have a naturally higher air intake, so you're going to have some great off-road capability just based on how much water you can drive through. Isn't this thing just absolutely beautiful? It's all blacked out. You can see here it's got the Extreme Recon package on it. So what that's going to give you is these BF Goodrich KO2 tires. They're 35 inches. They have beadlock capable wheels, give it a little bit of a lift, and then you also add a 456 axle ratio in the rear end. It's going to give you greater off-road ability, just better crawling ratios and things like that. You can see you do have your upgraded off-road tire package, because this is a larger wheel and tire, so you need that extra support back here to be able to support the heavier tire. Do have those steel bumpers on the front and back of this thing, guys, so you're going to have that protection you need out there on the trails if you're hitting stuff, and protection all the way around. So you do have that protection here on the body too. So if you're going over anything out there, it'll protect the body from any kind of damage. And then your Jeeps do have lots of great protection underneath the vehicle as well. Let me go ahead and show you this. So underneath your Jeeps, most of them are going to come with protection just like this. That's your transfer case protection over there. You got your fuel tank is completely covered. So they do a really, really great job. And while we're down here taking a look at some stuff underneath the vehicle, let's go ahead and take a look at the suspension and the axles. It's one of the things that makes Jeeps so great at off-roading. Metal bumpers, worn winch, absolutely beautiful vehicle. So these are all trail rated on the Rubicon Trail, 470 foot-pounds of torque. Went ahead and closed that hood. Check this thing out. So you got your MOAB badge here on the side. You got your 392. That nice big hood scoop to help cool off that bad boy engine. This comes with a lot of great safety features too. So up here in your mirror and your window, that's adaptive cruise control, you can see. They've also upgraded these with the digital antenna. And then this is also going to have Gorilla Glass as well. So it's going to be less resistant to cracking and breaking. And your 2026 models, they're also now coming with your quick release on your doors, so it's easier to take off the doors. You used to have to unscrew this, now you just undo this pin, and there's no longer a bottom pin on the bottom of the door, so you can just easily pop those up and take them off. You do have your power seats on this one with the leather as well. Get that beautiful red stitch going all the way through here on the inside. Just really adds to the look. And then, as you can see here, we have an open top. So this one has what's called your one-touch top. Makes it super easy. If you're by yourself most of the time, you just press that one time, and in about 20 seconds, that whole top will roll the back here. Super cool about that top too, you're going to be able to take these back windows out. So you can have your doors off, you can have your windows out, all that kind of good stuff, and enjoy all this power and the open air freedom. This is how you take those back windows out. Just one 90-degree turn, little dowels down there on the bottom, and that'll pop right out for you. Here's some info on that engine and everything. It's the JL, so 2018 and newer is considered a JL model. And then you got your engine information there, the 6.4 liter Hemi 470. 470, there it is, made in Detroit, baby. Got the parking sensors on this one, so it'll beep before you bump if you're doing any high speed backing up. You do have your cables and everything for your worn winch in there, and you can see this one does come equipped with your Alpine stereo system as well. Lots of really sweet things have been updated on the Jeep vehicles. A lot of technology features now. You're going to have the Uconnect 5 with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's a trail cam on this thing so you can see the lines on the road as you're going. You know, it does have that big bad V8 motor, so you have these paddle shifters on here so you can shift through those gears and have a little more fun out there on the road. In the beginning of the video, you guys saw the exhaust system. I was playing with this button right here to show you how those baffles work on the exhaust system. So you can press this, it'll turn that exhaust on and off for you. Let's just get a nice little shot of the inside of this thing here real quick so you can see. Beautifully done, very well done vehicle. I like the dash on this one here. You can see it's kind of like a leather material with the red, and then they have the red stitching that comes through on your steering wheel as well. Nice big steering wheel, something really to hold on to. It feels good in the hand. And then you have that red stitching that comes through the entire vehicle with these leather seats. Looks great. Check out the back here. So in the back, you do have some cup holders in your center console back here, so you can pull that down, get some cup holders. And then these back seats will fold down. The headrest will fold down like that. There's two separate levers, so one for the headrest and then one for the entire seat. Once you fold those seats down, they're going to lay down flat like that. That way you got a threshold cover so nothing falls through. You can use this for a small space to sleep in while camping if you'd like. You got plastic on the back of your seats so it'll hold up over time. And then you have some really great amenities inside these vehicles, like your normal household plug-in, USB hookups, and then you have your power windows and all that too. So these are coming with the adaptive cruise control, so you got that on there. What's neat about the Jeep vehicles too, if it's got the safety features on it, you're gonna be able to customize those so you can have it adapted to your preferences. Here's that trail camera I was telling you about. It's pretty cool. It's gonna show you the lines on the road for the predicted path of travel for the vehicle. You have off-road pages on this thing. It's gonna show you if you're getting ready to roll it down a mountain. But yeah, guys, I just had to make a video of this thing before somebody bought it. It is a super cool vehicle. I've been drooling over it for the last 2 weeks. It's the V8 Jeep. Absolutely killer. Love it, love it, love it. Just a quick glance at beautiful American muscle, baby. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Appreciate it. Hey guys, thanks a bunch for checking out this 392 Jeep Wrangler MOAB with me. If you liked the video, if you want to know something I didn't mention in the video, I don't know it all. Like I said, my name is Mark. I sell cars. I make these videos so I can learn more about the vehicles, show the vehicles to y'all before you come out to the dealership. If you see this video and you want to come out, make sure you ask for Mark. That's me. Y'all stay blessed. Thanks for watching the videos. Have a good day.